Now let's solve this by rationalizing its conjugates. Now here what we have, x square root of x plus alpha plus square root of x dx. In denominator what we have, a minus b into a plus b, okay, is what, a square minus b square. So x gets cancelled, we have alpha out, okay, is equals to 1 by alpha I can take outside, integral 0 to alpha. Now let's send x here as well as x here, okay. Therefore this integral is x into square root of x plus alpha, okay, plus here x is 1, okay, 1, since base are same you can add indices, 1 plus half is what, x raised to 3 by 2, okay. Now alpha is taken outside, okay, into dx. Now here let's substitute, putting t square equals to x plus 1. Otherwise what we can do, one thing, since alpha is this, so I will use one trick over here. Instead of x I can write x plus alpha minus alpha, okay, for this part. Otherwise you can substitute t square equals to x plus alpha, okay. Let's use this trick so that we can get within few seconds this integration. This is 1 by alpha 0 to alpha. Instead of x I can write x plus alpha minus alpha into square root of x plus alpha, okay, plus x raised to 3 by 2. This part integration is very easy, okay, into dx is equals to 1 by alpha integral 0 to infinity 0 to alpha, okay. Here x plus 1 is this into, okay, this into this and this into this, okay. Here x plus 1 raised to 1, 1 plus half is what, 3 by 2. So we have x plus alpha raised to 3 by 2, okay, and then minus alpha into x plus alpha raised to half, okay, and then plus x raised to 3 by 2, now into dx, okay. Now let's integrate this, okay, is equals to 1 by alpha, integration of this is what, x plus 1 by alpha is whole common, x plus alpha raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 is what, 5 by 2, okay, 5 by 2, again it be 2 by 5 minus alpha x plus alpha raised to half plus 1 is what, 3 by 2 upon 2 by 3 plus x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 is what, 5 by 2 upon 2 by 5. Limit is what, limit is when x 0 to, when x equals to 0 to alpha, okay. So is equals to 1 by alpha. Now let's substitute upper limit first, okay. Here 2 by 5 what we have, 2 by 5, here alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha, 2 alpha raised to 5 by 2 is what, let's separate 2 raised to 5 by 2 into alpha raised to 5 by 2, okay, minus, now here also, here alpha into 2 by 3, here 2 alpha, okay, same as 2 raised to 3 by 2, alpha raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5, here alpha raised to 3 by 2, okay. This is what, this is upper limit only, okay. So this is upper limit minus lower limit, okay. Minus means when here you are x equals to 0, so instead of x you substitute 0, here we have 2 by 5, okay, x equals to 0 is what, alpha raised to 5 by 2 minus alpha 2 by 3, here alpha raised to 3 by 2. Now here become a 0, okay, so we don't need to write anything, and then while we have, okay, 1 by alpha, okay. Is there any term which we get cancelled? Here 2 by 5 alpha raised to 5 by 2. Okay. Now 2 by 5. This is what? Sorry. This should be 5 by 2. Okay. Here this is 2 by x, means what? I am substituting instead of x alpha. Okay. So this and these two terms gets cancelled. Okay. This is equals to what? This is 1 by alpha. Now 2 by 5. Okay. Here 2 by 5 is what? 2 raised to, let's do one day, 2 raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 is what? 2 raised to 7 by 2 upon 5 alpha raised to 5 by 2, this term. Okay. Minus alpha. Here alpha is what? 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. Here we have 1 plus 3 by 2 is alpha raised to 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. And then here 2 raised to 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. Okay. 2 raised to 5 by 2 upon 3. Okay. And this term gets cancelled, minus plus. We have alpha raised to 1 plus 3 by 2 is what? 5 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay. Now we can take all alpha raised to 5 by 2 outside here. Okay. So I can remove alpha raised to 5 by 2 by taking this outside. Alpha raised to 5 by 2. Alpha raised to 5 by 2. Okay. So here 5 by 2 minus 1 is what? This becomes alpha raised to 5 by 2. Here 1. Okay. 5 by 2 minus 1 is what? Alpha raised to 3 by 2. Okay. So I will write alpha raised to 3 by 2. Okay. So let's take common over here LCM. This is same as alpha raised to 3 by 2. Here what we have is here 5 3 is a 15. Okay. 15 and here 3. Okay. 5 3 into 2 into 7 by 2 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5 by 2 plus 10. Okay. Is equals to what? Is equals to, now here this we can subtract over here. It will become alpha raised to 3 by 2. 24 minus 2 is what? Here 4 root 2 plus 10 upon 15. Okay. Now what? This is what? This is left hand side. Okay. So here left hand side is what? Left hand side is equals to alpha raised to 3 by 2. 4 root 2 plus 10 upon 15 is equals to, what is that? Right hand side is what? We have 16 plus 2, 20 root 2 upon 15. Okay. From here, if I take 2 root 2 common, okay, let's see if it is 4 root 2 plus 10 upon 15. Now we have this equation. Okay. Therefore, alpha raised to 3 by 2 4 root 2 plus 10 upon 15 is equals to what? 2 root 2 4 root 2 plus 10 upon 15. Okay. Now this gets cancelled. Is implies alpha raised to 3 by 2 equals to 2 raised to 3 by 2. Okay. 2 root 2 is same as 2 raised to 3 by 2. Therefore, alpha equals to what? 2. Okay. Therefore, the alpha is equals to what? 2. Okay. Alpha is become a 2.